All right, so we missed a few days. I ended up not recording and not posting for a couple days this week. But if you guys are following Topstep at all or paying attention to what they're doing, they announced a pretty major change this weekend. Got up Monday and had an email. So they now announced that they're doing the one-step, one-rule change to their combine, which is basically good. They reduced the price. Like currently I'm paying $165 a month. They reduced that to $49 a month. And so now Monday morning, I'm in step 2. I've already been paying for this for a while, past step 1, and I got that email Monday morning. So at the time, Monday morning, I was kind of under the impression, I said, okay, well, that's a lot cheaper than the $165 a month I'm paying right now. So I should just say, screw it, get into that. I immediately bought the new one-step, one-rule account. And then I figured I'll just full send on my step 2 account. Just YOLO trade it and see if I can get through it real quick. On Monday, of course, for those of you who don't know, holidays, when you are light trading volume, like on holidays when a lot of the big boys aren't trading, trading is really difficult. Trend lines just don't hold when there's not a lot of traders. Trading is very much a self-fulfilling prophecy type of thing. So on holidays, especially around like Christmas and New Year's, when there's not a lot of traders, it's really difficult to trade. You really shouldn't even be trading. I wanted to trade pretty bad, so I would just, got on, sent it in the morning. It was a half day. Lost $1,000 pretty quickly. I started trading 2 contracts. So, I figured I'd just full send the step 2 account because I already purchased the new one just because it was cheaper on a monthly. Then I got the notice of, the $149 fee if you get into the express funded account, which I don't have in my step 2 account. So it really wasn't even that big of an offer for me. And I really should have just not traded Monday, thought about it a little more. But either way, so now I have the new account, which is the one-step, one-rule, and I still have the step 2 account. So I had a pretty bad drawdown on Monday. Figured I'll just keep full sending the step 2 account and we'll see where it takes us. If I can get through it, then great. If not, I'm just going to cancel it before my next billing period so I don't have to pay that $165 again. And like I said, I've already got the new account set up. I just won't be trading on it right now. Wednesday, I had a really good day, but came back in the afternoon and fired off a bunch of losses. So I lost basically everything I made in the morning, and I should have known better. I forgot there was FOMC news at 2 o'clock, and that's about the time I got back and started ripping trades. But I'm not going to stop today's video on any of the trades. I just want to get through it. I wanted to touch on that one-step, one-rule, and then give a quick update of where I stand on this account. So I actually had a pretty decent first half of the morning. It was up about 500, but then just got whipsawed out on a bunch of stupid little trades right before lunch. And then hit one at the very end to, I don't even know where I'm at right now, maybe $100, probably a little less. But really just wanted to drop an update since I have not recorded the past few trading days. Think about where I stand. And so that's where it is. I'm just going to keep running the step 2 account for now. And I guess if I don't get through it, like I said, I think I've got till the 21st before I get billed again. So I'll just run it for the next week or two, see if I can get in the express funded. And then if not, I'll just switch over to the newer account that's on the cheaper monthly payment. And then, if I pass that into the express funded account, I'll have to pay that $149 fee. But that's honestly a lot cheaper. It's really set up pretty nicely for new accounts. Like if you're looking to get into it, $49 a month is significantly cheaper. And then you only have to pay more if you pass the combine, basically. So if you're not passing the combine, like I have not been passing it for the past few months, I was paying that $165 a month plus resets adds up. I spent a small fortune, so it adds up pretty quick. But $49 a month is pretty cool. So especially since it's only one step now. But so yeah, I'll just continue it. We'll see how this afternoon goes, but I'll start the recording again tomorrow for sure. Maybe record this afternoon, and see how it goes.